Set tough goals and do not stop until you go there. Bo Jackson. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a proverb. Out of the frying pan, into the fire. What is the meaning of this proverb? Out of the frying pan, into the fire. And how can you use this proverb in your conversation? In what situation the proverb can be used appropriately in your conversation? Let's get into the lesson. See, the meaning for this proverb, out of the frying pan into the fire, is going from a bad situation to one that is worst. Moving from a difficult situation to one that is even more difficult. This situation is described as out of the frying pan into the fire. This proverb is used to describe the situation of moving or getting from a bad or difficult situation to a worse one, often as a result of trying to escape from the bad or difficult one. For example, you are in a bad situation and you are trying to get out of the situation, so you take some remedial measures in order to get out of the bad situation. But the result is you have landed into even more difficult situation. Now you are in the worst situation. To express this situation, you are using the proverb out of the frying pan into the fire. If someone has gone out of the frying pan into the fire, they have moved from a bad situation to an even worse one. From a bad, stressful or dangerous situation into one that is even worse. It is described as out of the frying pan into the fire. You know the meaning of the proverb out of the frying pan into the fire. Now, let's use this proverb in a sentence. Harish had found himself jumping out of the frying pan into the fire. It means Harish found himself jumping into a more dangerous situation. It means Harish had found himself from a bad situation to one that is worst. Number 2, I thought my old job was stressful, but the new job in this company is worse. It's like I'm going out of the frying pan into the fire. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.